What is going on, guys? It is early. It is nice. It's going to be 60 something degrees today, so I want to ride, but that means I have to do something before I do ride. I'm going on a ride tomorrow as well. I'm going on a big ride, a long ride, thanks to Cam. He commented on my Nice Lady Drives in Front of Me video. He's actually from this area, so we're gonna go ride with a bunch of people tomorrow down to Mount Scott and do some hood rat stuff most likely. But today I am finally going to get a new tire because this thing is freaking clapped out. Well, it's mostly clapped out. I think it has one more thing that it needs to do before I get a new tire. And you know what that is? That's a lot of rocks. I freaking done did it. She's got more to go too. I kind of rode it away just a little bit. It started to go sideways. People that do that are really good, so I'm gonna leave before something happens. That's about as far as my tire can go. Holy moly. Look at the rubber. It's freaking flaking off. Oh man. Well, that was fun. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I got rubber all over my freaking taillight and everything. So I'm gonna go put a new tire on, and then I'm gonna go on a ride to get some that stuff off, and then I'm gonna ride on a big ride tomorrow. All right, guys. Well, I have the finished product here. That's what I'm left with, pretty much. Got it all boogered up and stuff, you know, all the little rubber. I got rubber all over my license plate and my light, whatever. But that's just torn up now. I gotta put these on. These are off of Lane's bike. They're originally on my bike, but then I got these for when I do chain maintenance. But they're also my axle blocks, so those will not do when I take the wheel off. So I always have to get these back. Plus his bike's still down. I was gonna do it right in front of my house, and there was someone outside, so I obviously didn't. And I'm in a neighborhood, so I feel like people probably wouldn't appreciate that very much if I was just to do a burnout in front of the house. Okay. So yeah, it is completely bare now, and then I could have done it longer, but it was just this part, and it's starting to get cord right there. And I was really worried about driving home because I didn't want it to pop. Because I was about a mile and a mile, 2 miles away from home. So I didn't want to do that. 27. Okay, 27. And then 12 millimeter, I believe, for the axle holder inners. Go ahead and push that all the way in. Now just a simple break loose. Wash your nuts. Make sure you always wash your nuts. Go and pull that right off. And then pull that out. And then guess what? Take the chain off, set it aside, and boom, we've got our wheel and tire off. Simple as that. Alright guys, totally forgot to video me putting on the tire. I was kind of in a hurry. Cycle gear took longer with my tire than I expected, but finally, after many videos and many weeks talking about me getting a new tire is on. This should be broken in by after tomorrow for sure. I'm going to be honest, I did not clean anything in there because I'm trying to go ride. I told Brew and Mikey that I would be there at 1 and then 1:30 and then 2:15, and guess what time it is? It's 2:17. So I have to freaking go like now. So okay, well, see, you know what'll help? Not having car keys and having a motorcycle key. You shove in your face with blueberries? That's going in my video. Okay, well, let us be gone after I take those off, because now that just looks awkward because I have a lot of that stuff on there. Alright, well, we are going to Cane's because that's where they are. Hopefully they're done shortly so we can ride. I can only ride for about an hour before I have some more stuff to do. My day has been running around. So, went to the gym and everything else. Okay, I guess we are stopping right now. Then, of course, I was going to do a burnout in front of my house, but I didn't want to be that guy who was just doing a burnout in front of his house in the middle of a neighborhood. So then I didn't do that. And then I had to go ride to go do that, and then that took more time, and then the tire took too long, and whatever. Oh my gosh! I should have just went, but I wasn't paying attention. Motorcycles. I saved the day. Only way to get off all that oil off your tire is to go fast through turns. A little bit. Why? Hey, do a dank. Hi. Do a dank wheelie. I'm not gonna do a dank wheelie. Hey, do a nooner. Do a burnout. Well, guys, didn't do a lot of riding today. Not as much as I wanted to, that's for dang sure. I know I had to change my tire, and then I had to do a burnout before I changed my tire because that's obvious reason. That's the first time I've ever actually done that, so I had to make sure I did it. But I hope you guys still enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you watch my previous videos if this is your first time watching one of mine. I hope you guys just have an amazing freaking week. Unfortunately, that's all I could do, and that's honestly the only wheelie I did today, so have a good week. I'm recording a video tomorrow with a bunch of people riding for a long time, so watch out for that video. Peace.